Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can place a hyperlink in your boards and presentations on Whimsical. So let us dive into this. So guys, start by navigating to your board, click into the given object or element, and then guys what you want to do is you can do this for example with text, right? So click into the text or place a new text box using this option here to the left. And then inside the text guys, you will see that option, right? Add hyperlink, click into it. And then you may, for example, enter the URL, like I know, google.com. Click into this option here, and that is going to place the link. And yeah, you can do that, or you can link internally, right? By using this option again, and then choose the location you would like to link to, like a file, folder, task, and so on and so forth. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and I'll see you next time.